Welcome back to MVP Auto 08. Today, we're diving into a car that takes the term exclusive to the next level, the 2025 Lamborghini SC20. Designed as a one-off masterpiece, the SC20 is a testament to Lamborghini's commitment to pushing boundaries and redefining what's possible in automotive engineering and design. If you're a fan of outrageous performance, jaw-dropping aesthetics, and the thrill of open-air driving, this is one video you don't want to miss. So, buckle up as we take a closer look at this unique beast. The SC20 is a product of Lamborghini's Squadra Corse, their motorsport division, and represents the pinnacle of bespoke design. This car is entirely unique, literally. It's a one-of-a-kind creation tailored to the specifications of a single client. Lamborghini calls it a road-legal track car, and it's easy to see why. It combines the raw DNA of their racing machines with the luxury and craftsmanship of their road cars. Let's start by talking about its design. At first glance, the SC20 is unmistakably a Lamborghini. It shares design cues with the Aventador and Huracan, but it takes inspiration from the SC18 Alston and Lamborghini's racing prototypes. Up front, you'll notice the aggressive splitter and massive air intakes, which aren't just for show. These elements optimize airflow and provide essential cooling for the powerful engine. The headlights, sculpted hood, and sharply defined lines give the SC20 an intimidating yet elegant look. Moving to the side, you can't miss the sculpted bodywork and massive air ducts that channel air to the mid-mounted engine. The car sits low, with a stance that screams speed even when it's standing still. And then there's the rear, a masterpiece of aerodynamics. The massive carbon fiber wing is fully adjustable, allowing for varying levels of downforce depending on whether you're on the track or cruising through the city. The quad exhaust tips and diffuser complete the look, making the SC20 as functional as it is beautiful. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that's as bespoke as the exterior. The interior of the SC20 is a blend of lightweight materials and luxurious finishes. Carbon fiber dominates the cabin, from the dashboard to the door panels, keeping the car as light as possible. The seats are wrapped in Alcantara and leather, and every detail, from the stitching to the color scheme, is customizable. Lamborghini even worked with the client to ensure the open-top design doesn't compromise comfort or usability. Of course, a Lamborghini isn't just about looks, it's about performance. The SC20 is powered by a naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine, the same beast that powers the Aventador SVJ. It produces a mind-blowing 759 horsepower and 531 pound-feet of torque. Power is sent to all four wheels through a 7-speed automated manual gearbox. And with a top speed of over 217 miles per hour, the SC20 is built to thrill. This car isn't just fast in a straight line, it's engineered for precision. The lightweight construction, advanced aerodynamics, and all-wheel drive system make it incredibly agile. Lamborghini also equipped it with bespoke Pirelli P0 tires designed specifically for this model, ensuring maximum grip whether you're on the track or tackling twisty mountain roads. Now, let's talk about what truly sets the SC20 apart, its exclusivity. Lamborghini's ad personam program allows clients to customize their cars down to the smallest detail, but the SC20 takes this to a whole new level. The entire car was developed in close collaboration with its owner, who was involved in every step of the design process. From the exterior paint finish to the smallest interior accents, every element of the SC20 reflects the client's personal taste and vision. This level of craftsmanship is something you simply won't find anywhere else. Interestingly, while the SC20 embraces a traditional V12 engine, Lamborghini is also moving toward a more electrified future. Models like the Revuelto showcase their hybrid technology, but the SC20 stands as a tribute to Lamborghini's heritage of naturally aspirated engines. It's a celebration of pure, unfiltered performance, something that's becoming increasingly rare in today's automotive world. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: how much does it cost? While Lamborghini hasn't disclosed the exact price, One-off models like the SC20 typically command a price tag in the range of $3 million to $5 million, or even more. And honestly, can you really put a price on owning a piece of automotive art that no one else in the world has? The 2025 Lamborghini SC20 is more than just a car, it's a statement. It's a testament to what happens when passion, engineering, and artistry collide. Whether you're a Lamborghini enthusiast or just a fan of remarkable machines, the SC20 is a reminder of why we love cars in the first place. That's it for today's video on MVP Auto 08. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of Lamborghini's SC20, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an upload. Let us know in the comments, what's your dream one-off car? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.